Are you looking for a quick, healthy dinner that's much better than a takeout? This garlic shrimp fried rice is protein packed, full of fresh flavors, and ready in minutes. Hello, I'm Farhad. Let's ditch that greasy, high sodium takeout and make this vibrant dish at home in minutes instead. I'm using partially cooked, no sodium rice for conveniency, fresh shrimp, and also a low sodium soy sauce to keep things light yet flavorful. You're gonna love how easy this is. We're gonna start off by sauteing the vegetables. I have three types of vegetables here, total of about 2 cups. Raw carrots, we're gonna start cooking off the raw carrots, then red onions, and then thawed frozen peas. You can use canned low sodium peas and carrots if you prefer. And then I'm using sesame oil in the pan on medium heat. The carrots should cook about 80%. Approximately 4 minutes for the carrots, 2 3 minutes for the onions, and about a minute for the peas. After they're done, I'm going to saute 4 cloves of chopped garlic in the same pan and saute that in the sesame oil. Then I'm going to add the 1 pound shrimp and saute them along with the garlic. The shrimp needs to be cooked about 4 to 5 minutes depending on the size or until they turn pink in color. Now I'm going to add some salt and pepper. Be sure to stir them frequently to ensure even cooking. Let's add some red pepper flakes. I highly recommend it. Continue stirring, allowing the pepper flakes and garlic to infuse the shrimp. Okay, we're good here. Let's do the rice now. I'm adding 2 cups of partially cooked rice. Choose either white or brown depending on your preference. And then spread them in the pan. And then we're going to mix 2 tablespoons of water following the package instructions. And then stir for 3 to 4 minutes and let the rice finish cooking. Once rice done, move them to the side of the pan and cook 2 beaten eggs or about half a cup of liquid eggs and scramble the eggs, and then we're going to mix them with the rice. And then once done, we're going to start adding the other ingredients. Okay, now we're going to add our peas and carrots and onions and mix it with the rice. And then add our shrimp and then mix. Make sure everything mixed together well. Then I'm adding about a tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce. You can add soy sauce to taste. Highly recommend low sodium, and then mix well. And then the last thing we need to do is garnish it with some chopped scallions. And we're done. This dish serves 4 and each serving has approximately about 600 calories. Use olive oil instead of sesame oil for those with allergies. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more similar weekly videos packed with healthy eating recipes and kitchen tips and tricks. With over 30 years of experience, I'll help you satisfy your taste buds and elevate your cooking skills with healthy foods. Don't forget to explore my other videos and join me for the next one. Until then, stay healthy and take care.